Welcome everyone to this session from classified to a marketplace, and we have a very known personality with us. So Satya, without further ado, tell us a little bit about Sulekha, its journey,
sure.
and the various decisions you made along the line to come to this point of a marketplace now.
Surely. Sulekha started more as a hobby around 1999, and it's actually two companies, not one. We have a US business that we started in 2001, 2002, and now in the US, Sulekha is at the risk of sounding modest, pretty much the only show in town in terms of addressing the Indians and the South Asians living in the US. And our India focus started, and we shifted the center of gravity and the locus of the company to India around 2007, and we started building out in India in 2007. Initially, we looked at the Indian space, and we felt that the classifieds is a good way to capture the Indian audience, and our thinking has evolved since then. And when you say classifieds, what we felt was that it frames the opportunity, the difference between doing multiple things under different brands versus doing different things under the same brand, using the same common components and mechanisms and the user experience of using this one. We think the ROI is much higher if you can take the user through multiple of his needs, and the cost of constructing and maintaining is also much more efficient if you operate under one brand and also make sure you do that, right? I mean, I'm not comparing ourselves to Apple, but if you take a beautiful example of Apple, right, where they're able to compete and win. Of course, it took them 30 years to get to the point, but using a common 80% of the common both physical and soft infrastructure, they're able to build out multiple devices across multiple spaces, whether it's phone or music player or a tablet or a computer, and be able to thrive across those things. So this thing of if you are smart enough, if you don't screw up in other ways, I think that this building of a common platform under the common brand is, we are placing a bet that it is far more lucrative and far more sustaining in the future than trying to build a portfolio, a variety of brands, because building a brand is very, very expensive, right? It's truly expensive, and especially building the technology substrate also is very expensive. And unless you reuse and redeploy many of these things, it's tough to play and compete and win in multiple marketplaces.
I hope you all enjoyed the session as well.
Thank you.
And moving to the next one.
All right.